still only 4 digits in our population. We're still keeping things just the way God made it. There's been some old city folks trying to come in to change it. Wouldn't trade them square 40 fields for 1 inch of pavement. We're still hollering up in them hills, I reckon that we always will. We're still keeping them parking lot half-ton circled on up, still lighting that fire with a diesel-filled cup, like my daddy done it, and his daddy did. Still thinking this way of living's getting as good as it gets. If you ever thought about never leaving your little town, keeping them roots in the ground, we'll keep holding it down. There's still 35s rolling down the blacktop, still riding around this little bitty map dot. And you can find us at the corner for a case of them, cause nothing's changed from the days when we knew nothing but keeping them parking lot half-ton circled on up, still lighting that fire with a diesel-filled cup, like my daddy done it, and his daddy did. Still thinking this way of living's getting as good as it gets. If you ever thought about never leaving your little town, keeping them roots in the ground, we'll keep holding it down. So keep holding it down, cause you're proud of where you came from. Holding it down, it's the way that you were raised up. Keeping them parking lot half-ton circled on up, and lighting that fire with a diesel-filled cup, like my daddy done it. Hey,